Every so often, a house comes along that already fits before you even move in. When Sheila and Jeffrey Wilson bought their 1965 L-shaped ranch house in southern New Jersey, they didn't inherit a blank slate. The previous owner had spent years restoring old houses, quietly built primitive character right into this one, with salvaged doors, reclaimed wood floors, a Victorian mantel, all rescued waiting behind the front door. Sheila just had to walk in and make it hers. Sheila isn't just a collector, she is an accomplished woodworker, and this kitchen shows it. The open shelving lining the walls, the custom cutting board that fits right over the stovetop, she built it all. In a kitchen this size, every inch has to earn its place, and Sheila's own handiwork is what makes it work as beautifully as it does. And those open shelves are a perfect spot to showcase her extensive crocks and other collections. From here you can catch glimpses of the dining room to one side and the kitchen to the other. This home really does flow as one continuous space. Sheila has a knack for tucking furniture into corners at an angle rather than squaring everything off. And this little seating nook is a perfect example. It sits just opposite the Victorian mantel and the big picture window seating area, giving the room a second gathering spot with lots to look at. was once a walk-through space between rooms and could be awkward to decorate, is not, since Sheila turned it into her dining room. Built-in shelves and primitive pieces line the walls, giving the space plenty of display area. Where the rest of her home leans towards a quiet monochromatic palette, here a little more color creeps in. Painted boxes in cheerful hues and touches of barn red. Adding a centerpiece filled with green and white flowers ties into the garland woven through the ladder above the doorway. From the outside, this home looks like countless other ranches built in the 1960s, but step inside and it tells a completely different story. One customized by a previous owner's love of old houses and carried forward by Sheila's own eye for primitive charm. It really was the perfect fit, waiting behind an ordinary front door.